Hi there, great to see you again. In this video, I'll show you how to link Confluence with Jira, a process that can significantly enhance your project management efficiency by enabling seamless integration between these powerful Atlassian tools. Whether you are a project manager, a developer, or part of an agile team, this tutorial will guide you through each step to ensure you can replicate the process effortlessly. Start by navigating to your Jira dashboard. Once there, click on the Settings icon, located in the top left corner of the screen. This is your gateway to managing all administrative and product configurations. Selecting the correct settings area is crucial as it will guide you to the subsequent steps for integration. Next, select the Products option, which allows you to manage the different applications within the Atlassian suite. This step is key to focusing on product integrations, exactly what we aim to establish between Jira and Confluence. Under the Integration section, select Application Links. This area is where you manage how Jira communicates with other applications, such as Confluence, forming the backbone of the integration process. Now, click on Create Link. This action directs you to a page where you'll set up a new connection. When prompted, select Direct Application Link as the link type. This choice is essential, as it specifies a straightforward communication path between Jira and Confluence. Enter your Confluence URL carefully. Any typos can prevent the connection from being established correctly. So take a moment to double-check your entry. After entering the URL, click Next to proceed. You'll then be guided through prompts to confirm the connection, ensuring all necessary information is correctly provided. As part of the process, assign a name to your application, making it easily identifiable, especially if you plan on having multiple integrations. A clear naming convention will save time managing these links later on. Proceed by selecting Confluence as the application type, which establishes and maintains the correct communication protocols. Finally, click on Continue. Completing this step finalizes the integration process, making the connection live. Congratulations, you've successfully linked Confluence with Jira, allowing you to leverage the power of integrated project management tools. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it enhances your Atlassian experience. Thank you for watching, and feel free to explore these integration capabilities to boost your workflow and productivity.